Afternoon or suppose night, good night to you. Suppose morning, good morning to you. Mrs. like some observation below me. You make a sample man, sample kind man, we all got like an understanding inside the life flow. They are not appreciative. All vaccine advantage law, success law, all man. We have this kind of people always up. They cannot appreciate your success. That's one but something you by me looking. Or not appreciating success for you. Even though you struggle, even though you make him that is something was strong for you, and then time success will come. All by enjoying the success on them you, but not appreciating success for you. You guys like an old man old stuff. Time ito ko sem. Milay ko sem. Suppose you want to man, want to marry. You think in future bro you work hard lo. Achieving more goals and dreams bro you no life. You know can pay my attention just like an old man. Just like an old man will stop lo irritating you. Just like an old man will stop lo causing some kind disturbance to life for you. My advice is you just enjoy him successfully. Just enjoy. You know me no saying you like compete on the one man no. You just enjoy him successfully. Nah, you know, just prove him all wrong or something. The world is full of surprise. The world is full of surprise. You make a look one man and me to go say, man, you know, thinking about making in life. But be surprised. We cannot know those man or marry and make him in life. Okay. The point is appreciating all man marry. Appreciating those who stop close to you. Maybe you know you take him all for granted. Maybe you know realizing also this line will stop now at least all make him environmentally look alright. But you by looks away. You by looks away time this man marry almost stop. Man. So suppose you Islam man or Islam marry you got that kind of thing. You think also everything happened just like that. Or you are self-centered type of person. Everything is you. You know thinking Narabla. You think him you yet. So everything that is coming, you think him you yet more than Narabla. I mean just remind him you just have to change this kind of way of thinking. You know what? This kind of thinking, I'm not helping you. I'm not bringing you below one block. You must stop one kind. You must looking more things in life. Nothing good will happen in life. But if you start to change, if you start to look another side of life, if you down in you yet, you look, they looking good doesn't become a life. Okay, so life is all about doing your own thing. The life is all about bringing the best that you can bring him out of your life. Okay, life is not about you depend on one man, depend on another man. No, you have to make your own life. So that's what me think. Now me bring him come. So if you got some thing you can comment too. Then you can, you know, comment na you bring him something come out, educate him. Country blue educate him what kind of man Muslim. Another side they may help him all too. Thank you. I'm really thinking that's what we bring him come. Thank you.